Hi, in this video I want to talk you through the first assignment and clarify it to get you off to a good start. Notice you click on modules and you come to the first module. There's an overview video, and then you click right here on your post and group discussion, and when you do that, this comes up. Here's the overview video repeated, and notice the instructions. It says review the questions below and then write the reply in the box or attach a PDF. I think students like it better if you post it in, copy and paste it in because it's easier to, in other words, they don't have to click and download something and read it. It's quicker to read. There's instructions here which would help to clarify the length, and I'll show you some examples here. You're going to tell your story, what brought you to Bowling Green, your major, and what you plan to do in graduation, your dream job, what's your ideal organization. Now here's some information from Glassdoor to help you compare your ideal organization using criteria from Employee Choice Awards. So you can kind of describe what is it that makes this an ideal organization. And then you're going to reflect on your past year. What are you proud of? What's been frustrating or challenging? Your reactions to the course so far. A group discussion request. This is a chance for you to influence your team members on how you can have a group discussion that's meaningful and adds value. You're going to create an exam question. Someone always asks, they said, well, we've not seen the chapter content yet. How can we write an exam question? You're going to write the question based upon the syllabus, and I'll show you some examples. So it has to be information on the syllabus. Then you want to post, get this done by Friday. That's August 30th, and get it posted. Then after that, come back here. You start reading the post. You've got till the next Friday to get your 5 comments in. And so you want each comment to be substantive. Here's a format to follow. Do a title, your name, date, introduction in bold. Repeat these questions because that helps everyone reading if you repeat the question. In other words, introduce yourself, then put your narrative down there. My dream job as I look over the past year, my reactions to course, group request, exam question, and conclusion. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 2 examples, best practice examples from a class that ran last year. So just to give you an idea here. Here you can see they've got their information up above, but I cut their personal information out. They repeated the introduction in bold. They wrote their introduction. Have the questions they put in bold. Introduce herself. You can see they couple of paragraphs dialogue there. Their dream job. They went on to that. Their year, reflecting on their year in review. Their reactions to the course. Their group discussion requests in order to have a successful group. Their exam question. They put the answer. It's important to include the answer because then that makes this a review for everyone reading. Now they could have placed number 3 in bold to indicate that's the answer, but they wrote answer 3, but you want to make sure you have the answer. And then they have a conclusion that got wrote. Let me show you another one here. Same thing, introduction. This is what brought them here. Questions, they kind of told their story in their introduction. And then their dream job, and you can see a substantive answer here. Reflections on their past year, reactions to the course, their group discussion requests, their exam question, and you can see they bolded the answer, and then they've got their conclusion here. So those are best examples, and I hope this helps you off to a good start on your first assignment.